Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So today we're going to go ahead and change our rear trunk struts, the rear shocks on the trunk that holds the trunk up, on a 2004 through 2010 BMW E64 convertible. So I have a 2007 BMW M6 E64, but it should be the same for all 2004 to 2010 E64s. But all right, well, let's go ahead and get started. All we really need is a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and some replacement shocks. So I found some on Amazon that had good reviews, and they're just generic replacements. Yeah, just simple black struts. And this is vehicle specific. I'll add the link on the bottom of the description. But let's go ahead and measure it up and see how close it is. So fit like that, and the head can rotate. So it looks like it should fit. Let's go ahead and swap it out. I'm just grabbing a thinner flathead screwdriver. This one has a flathead tip on it. There we go. Just want to wedge this in between and pry. All right, do you see how I pried it up? And you can just like that. And this should lift up. There. Do you see how it's lifted up completely? Yeah, now the trunk isn't holding up by itself, so make sure you prop it up. I'm just gonna hold it up with my shoulder. And we're gonna release the top strut as well. Same thing. So we just slide it forward. There. So do you see this pin? It can slide back and forth. Just be real careful not to pinch your finger. And this one is trash. So we'll go ahead and put the new one on, and this can rotate. So here, let's go ahead and pop this on first. So you just put firm pressure on the head right here, not holding the pin. There. And this will rotate it so it faces the correct position downwards. This, and then press it down. All right. All right, so we'll test. All right. Good. So there's the installation, and it's pretty simple. It's just plain black, so you can't really tell if it's OEM or not. It looks very similar. The only thing is it doesn't have the same E64 logo. It looks a little different than the OEM. But I don't think it's a big deal. It's not really an important part for the car. So if it messes up, it's a cheap repair. And it's not really gonna hurt anything using aftermarket for this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and change out this side as well. Okay. Go from on top. We don't want to accidentally scratch the tail light. All right, so I moved it like that. And then this, hold the trunk a little and lift up. There, like that. Same with this. Pry it up. There. So once you pry it like that, this can slide off of the little peg. There. Here's our new one. Let's mount the top one on first. So firm pressure and it pops in place. Rotate this. There. So I'm gonna rotate it clockwise. we're gonna rotate it clockwise and then press down. All right, so we have this on there. We pressed it and it clicked in place. Make sure everything clicks and it stays put. Go ahead and press your trunk. Right. Oh, now it really goes up here. All right, so there, it holds up pretty nice, and then it pulls down. Get it right here and launch off it. There we go. Good. All right.